What's the meaning of August? August. August.
August. August. August is a month of the year which usually has 31 days. It is the 8th month in the Gregorian calendar and is named after Augustus Caesar, the first emperor of the Roman Empire. The name was given to honor his many achievements, including the ending of civil wars and expansion of his empire. August is typically associated with summer vacations and hot weather in the northern hemisphere. However, in the southern hemisphere, August is associated with winter and colder temperatures.